What's up, guys, welcome back to Money Making Bitcoin channel. In this video we talk about Bytecoin, how Bytecoin make you millionaire. So Bytecoin now has 24th place of coin market cap and also have capitalization $1 billion more dollars. And also Bytecoin have many tokens. It is 183 billion tokens, and also it is very biggest. It is very biggest, but Bytecoin have a good potential for go up, and also max supply of Bytecoin have $184 billion. Also Bytecoin available on HitBTC, Polonix and another markets. Also when Bytecoin will be added to Binance, Bytecoin is going up too, and also volume to 24 hours is going up too. So what about Bytecoin and when Bytecoin is started? Bytecoin was started at 4 years ago, and also price, it is not cents, it is also Bitcoin price and USD price is very small, and maximum price of Bytecoin was 1/2 cents. It is not bad. Can Bytecoin price is $1? I think no, because Bytecoin have niche capitalization at $1,083,000,000, and its capitalization is not have from Bitcoin now, and Bitcoin now $164 billion capitalization. Also it is amazing capitalization for Bytecoin, but maybe in 5 years it is price may be available, but Bytecoin also have potential for going up. And why? Because it is a return of investors' interest. The return of investors could be observed from the volume on traders BTN experience between April to May 2nd, which ensured that return back to capitalization is above $1 billion within the duration. Also it is first. Second, it is addition of new exchanges on the horizon, even those Polonix exchange stopped deposits and withdrawals of Bytecoin on May 1st. The ban was lifted and transaction can be processed. Also Bytecoin team is now verge of reaching consensus with Binance and Bitfinex, and also Bytecoin will be available in Binance soon. It is maybe in 3 months. Strategic partnerships Bytecoin team are striving ahead to ensure that its holders and traders are open to many markets. Because of this, they are handing out an airdrop of 195,000 Bytecoin to the first 20 traders who make the most traders, with a benchmark of 25,000 Bytecoin to be traded in the partnerships exchange Bytexbook.com. And fourth, it is acceptance of ASIC miners. In a place where most coins refuse to accept ASIC mining for mining, even Monero, the Bytecoin team said that to improve efficiency of mining and also the profitability they will accept ASIC miners. So they also believe in that ASIC miners they are better than CPA and GPA miners. The mining activities will increase Bytecoin value. So and also Bytecoin, if you buy Bytecoin in a HitBTC market or Polonix market, you need a cold wallet. Cold wallet is also available in Bytecoin. Bytecoin have a cold wallet. Also Bytecoin have a community news updates. Also we see that, and blog Bytecoin ecosystem, how to join, download about, also mission about that. So and also download you available on you, it is web wallet, Bytecoin desktop, also for Windows 64-bit or 32-bit, and also coming soon mobile wallet. Keep track and hail Bytecoins on the go in App Store and Google Play, in Android, iOS and Android. Also, it is not bad token if you have a account in market HitBTC or Polonix. You need now to start buy Bytecoin, because in the future Bytecoin will be grow up price, because Bytecoin will be available on another markets. It is Binance also, and when Bytecoin added to Binance, price is going up. So guys, it is about Bytecoin. Thank you for watching and see you soon.